In this video, you will get to know how to get Telegram app on your macOS. Also, log in your Telegram account using your mobile phone, sync the data together, and also use two different Telegram accounts on one MacBook. So first of all, just go to this website and download Telegram for macOS. After that, you will see Telegram app in the application. Open it and it will open like that. This is the other Telegram app. I'm gonna talk about it later. Now go to your phone and open Telegram. Go to Setting and click on Device. Now click on Link Desktop Service and scan this QR code. Alright, click again, scan it, boom, here we go. Here is a different Telegram, here is a different Telegram. So this one is a DMG and this one is app from the Apple Store. You can link both different accounts. Now you can see this account is different and this one is a different account. For this app, you need to go to your Apple Store and type here Telegram. You need to download this app. Look, account is already there. And this app is a DMG. So I can use two different accounts using one MacBook and also log in and link and sync all of my data from my phones to my MacBook. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.